Going on, team? I hope you all had a great weekend, guys. Check this out, man. My man Hannez, he he's now at around 523,000. Yeah, he's closing some trades, showing his results for the week. So yeah, let me skip it how he's closing, but let's see how much he has done this week. He made 7,000 this week. Yeah, so I think the week before that or 2 weeks before that he was at 513,000, and then he made 25,000 in just 1 month. And yeah, he's pushing. Like, look at that, guys. It's real account. And yeah, he's pushing. I got the feeling that he can be one of the first who come to the million, one of the first students, man. It's awesome, man. Keep doing that, bro. Keep doing that. Keep doing what you do, man. You do a great job, man. I'm really proud. I'm really proud, man. Wow. Keep going. And I hope you guys get motivated seeing this, man. He's really smashing it for a while now, and he's pretty consistent with his money management and all that. So yeah, you can learn a lot from this guy. Yeah, enjoy your Sunday.